so disappointing. Please bring our stores back, guys, because us plus size girls ain't going nowhere. So I don't know why y'all keep taking our stores away. So happy to be back. I've missed you guys. I've missed going shopping. They closed my Target near me, but I was able to get a couple of pieces. So let's get into this. Hi everyone. I am trying on some clothes today, and I thought I would just hop on because I haven't been on YouTube in a really long time. I've just been doing, other stuff. Like I said, I'm a doula, so that stuff comes before all of this right now. So anyway, today I'm wearing this faux leather strapless dress with a split in the back from H&M. I paired it with my bamboo earrings and a chunky gold necklace, and I also paired it with this bamboo bag from Brandon Blackwood. As you can see here, I'm just modeling it for you guys. It's very comfortable. I got this in an extra large. I do have like somewhat of a shaper on, not too much, but just something to kind of like that's smooth so my legs don't rub together since I'm a thick girl. But anyway, it really fits well. It stretches a lot, so I got an extra large because I didn't want to feel like I was busting out of it, but I also didn't want, maybe I got a large, I'll have to check. But in any event, I got the size that I got because, and I'll drop it in, because I didn't want it to be too big. I think they had a 2X. This might be an extra large. I'll check in a bit. But anyway, I think it fits really nicely. As you can see, my back chinchos are coming out a bit, but that's nothing. I don't have on a strapless bra right now. I have on a strapped bra, so I just tuck the straps in. But with a nice strapless bra, this will have the girls sitting up really nice. So this is what I paired it with. I have a few other things that I'm going to be showing you guys, but right now, this is a cute little like cocktail outfit. You have to be careful because if you like oil your skin, you'll get oil on here. Luckily, it's a little shiny, but I didn't want it to look like patent leather. I also paired it with these patent leather shoes that I got from Amazon. I put a little insole step in here just because my foot was like sliding out. So it is kind of wide. I will say that. It doesn't list as a wide width, but it does run wide. And I got this in a 7. No, I got this in an 8. Probably could have got a 7.5. But these are really cute. They have this funky little heel. I think they're about 3 inches high. And then you have this like 1.5 inch platform. So these are really cute. Paired it with this little outfit here, as you will see in the video. Let's get into the next item. And I'm so happy to be back. I've missed you guys. I've missed going shopping. They closed my Target near me, but I was able to get a couple of pieces. So let's get into this. Okay, this is the next outfit or item that I got from Target. It's this denim cargo stretch, I guess it's a maxi skirt. So it's pretty long. It goes down to like my ankles. Maybe if you're taller, I'm only 4'11", so if you're taller, it would be a little bit shorter. But this is a maxi cargo, great stretch. This is from Wild Fable, and I got this in a large. So the black, they also have this in denim, like an acid wash denim, but I found that the denim has less stretch than the black. Why is that? I have no idea. But this one has, as you can see, so much freaking stretch. It's really comfortable. It has pockets here on the side and then 2 pockets down on the bottom. They are functional. As you can see, the pockets are functional, but I don't think that I would use them because it would just weigh the skirt down. So okay guys, the next item, I don't even know how many items I've had, but anyway, this item is not from Target. It is from the Amazon drop, and the designer of this is Karen Britchick. Love Karen Britchick. This cute dress is just, it's like very flowy, very like, there's a So there's a slip dress under here because it is very sheer. If you wore this without the slip dress, you would actually be able to see through it, which I wouldn't mind if I'm like on an island somewhere or on a trip like in Greece or somewhere, and you just wanted to put like a nice little bathing suit or something under. You could wear it as like, you know, a cover up to a dinner before you go to like a pool party or something. I don't know. Love the detail here with the little poofy shoulders. It's not too much, so it doesn't like look like, you know, too extravagant. But love the collar here. It's a nice stretch. I forget what you call this when you have this stretchy sort of material. Usually you wear it in like a top, but this is really, really cute. Nice wide sleeve, elastic cuff, and then it has this cute little detail here where you can pull these strings and kind of cinch in the front part here, so it gives it more of like a nice little waist, detailed waist. This I got in a size large, guys. It does run big, so you won't need, I probably could have gotten a medium, but I didn't want to play myself. So basically, I love the color, I love the pattern. There's flowers. You can wear it with a shoe boot, a thigh-high boot, any kind of boot you like. I'm gonna pair it here with my little black ankle boots. And the coloring, just with the black background and the pretty, I can tell of like a shadow of a flower in there. Black background, yeah, I said that right, okay. Anyway, the back is just straight, so it is a bit boxy, to be honest. And I think the way Karen wore it, because she's much slender than I am, she wore it with a, what do you call those things? The leather, I don't know what you call them. Corset, like a leather corset or the belted leather thingamajiggy. I'm gonna order one and see what it looks like. But for right now, this is all I have. I guess I can cinch it at the waist with the strings here, but I love it. It feels really, really good. It feels so soft. It's not scratchy. I didn't remember this, but I just found out. It has pockets. It freaking has a pocket. Holy freaking moly. Okay, this thing keeps getting caught in my hand. It has a pocket. Karen, thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. I love, love, love pockets in a dress. For your phone, for your snacks, for your hands, whatever. Doesn't matter. A pocket in a dress is, thank you. Thank you, Karen. Literally forgot. I saw it on her, and when she put her hand in a pocket, when she was modeling it, totally forgot. Talking about how wide it is, and totally forgot it freaking has pockets. Oh my God. Guys, this is a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So they're sold out, but sometimes with the drop on Amazon, stuff comes back into play. So if you see this, you should grab it. Tell me what you think about it. I love it. Cannot wait to have somewhere to wear it. I have so many things to wear and nowhere to go. So if you're watching this and you got somewhere for me to go, hit a sister up, because I'm in there. I'm in there like swimwear. Love this dress. I'm gonna move on to the next. Again, it's Karen Brit Chick, an item from the Amazon drop. I'm moving on to the next item. Okay, so my next outfit is this cute little pants set, top and pants set, almost like a pajama set from Target. And I forget who the designer is. Oh, Reese Blutstein. So anyway, this is the next little outfit. It's a top and bottom. Like I said, it has a nice, it's like a pajama-y feel, and you know that's in right now. So I thought these colors were really cool for the fall. I guess going into the spring too, really. You can wear it anytime, but I'm gonna try this on for you guys so you can see what it's like. I got this because I told you my Target closed, and I'm so disappointed and so upset, but my Target closed, and I don't even know where I got this from, what Target, but anyway, the Target that I went to, they actually didn't have a huge selection. And so I got this in a 2X or XXL, right? Yeah, it's XXL, top and bottom. I was happy to get that. It actually fits really nicely. So I think the extra large would have been too tight, but we'll see. I'll try it on. The pants were $36 and the top was $32. So this is a cute little outfit from Future Collective, Reese Blutstein. I hope I'm saying her name correctly. But anyway, I thought it was really cute. It's like maroon or dark red, navy, and like a cream color or like a light yellow, and then the whole outfit is cream. So I'll try this on for you guys to see. You tell me what you think. I think it's a really great outfit. I'm gonna style it a couple of ways so that way you can see both how I would wear it and what shoe I would wear it with. If you have any suggestions, just let me know. But let's get into trying this outfit on, and you guys tell me how you like it. Okay, so this next item here, and my last item, is from Eloquii. I love Eloquii. Been shopping at Eloquii for, I don't know, 5, 6 years now. And when they had that flagship store or that pop-up store open up in Soho in Manhattan, I was definitely in there. I was so sad when they closed. Then we had the pandemic. They never opened back up again. I think it's really important for plus size designers and stores to have stores accessible to plus size women. We don't always want to order our stuff online, try it at home. If it doesn't fit, then send it back and then order the next size. It's really, really important for us to have a place that we can go into, try on our stuff just like everyone else. We need that. So please, Eloquii, if you're listening, if you're watching, been wearing your clothes for a while now, before you had a store in the city, when you had the store in the city, please bring a store back. We need that. We love it. Torrid has a store not in Manhattan. They also need to get stores in Manhattan. I want to go like right downtown and shop in a store like everyone else. Eloquii, if you're listening, Torrid, if you're listening, bring a store back to Manhattan. This top, they had it paired with a skirt that had like roses on the side of it, which is really cute. But I just wanted this little top because it's almost like a little like corset top or whatever, and it comes down at the point here. You'll see how I'm gonna pair it, but I love it. I go up a size in the tops just because I have a big back. So it has this nice little stretch here. So that way if the girls are a bit heavy and your bra's a bit big, and the band is really wide so you don't see it, right? We can't always wear strapless bras and our girls are just sitting up pretty. Sometimes we gotta wear like, you know, these heavy duty straps to kind of keep our girls up. So it has this nice stretch to give you, you know, a bit more space if you are a bit wider in the back. Nice zipper in the back. Cute. I literally, because I got an 18 in this, like I said, I size up in the top sometimes in their jackets just because I have like big arms and a wide back. It just gives me a bit more space. I could just slip this over my head. That's what I'm gonna say. But anyway, this is what I was talking about. This isn't the perfect bra for this, so I'm gonna take the bra straps off. Also because this sits off the shoulder a little bit, so I'm gonna do it like that. That looks better. Yep. Do this. I don't know why my, you know who, the big A. Oh, maybe I got a delivery. But anyway, it's annoying in my video to keep hearing that. So, anyway, this is what the top looks like. Alright? It's a cute little... I guess I could wear it like this. What do you think? And I love that it comes off the shoulder a little bit, so it makes it pretty sexy. You can wear nice chunky jewelry like this, or a dainty one like that. And then I just have on like regular gold hoop earrings that my aunt gave me, a bracelet and just regular little gold rings. So I love this top, really cute. And it just feels really comfortable. What do you think? So I think that's all that I have, guys. Some of the shoes that, you know, I put on with the outfits, I will list where I got those, and if they're still available. The colors may not be available. These are from Bryant. So if you like them, go and get them. They do run wide, so be mindful of that. I got this in an 8 wide. I probably should have got a 7.5, but when I got these, they were on sale and they were like $15 in the store. Speaking of the store, I'm going back to that again. Bryant used to have a store in Manhattan on 125th Street. I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, Ashley Stewart, gone. Like, big girls all have to just go online and like pray for the best. So disappointing. Please bring our stores back, guys, because us plus size girls ain't going nowhere. So I don't know why y'all keep taking our stores away. We buy clothes. But yes. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will list everything I can down below. I'm so happy to be back. I've missed recording. I've missed just trying on clothes for you guys. I really do enjoy it. I love fashion and I am back. So I'm gonna get my life together. Just because I'm a Gemini, I'm like, I get bored with stuff and then I come back to it, but I'm really trying to be more consistent. I am consistent with my family life, my kids, my husband. I'm consistent with my doula work. I show up for my clients. I want to be more consistent with YouTube. I really do. So that is one of my goals, you know, that I'm striving for this year. I'm also going to get back into exercising. I don't know if you know, but my fitness instructor, she became ill last year right around my birthday. And so for 6 months, I haven't had the accountability that I have been needing to make me do the things that I need to do. So again, no excuse. I need to work my butt and stop the madness and get my life together. So that's what my goals are, to get back into exercising because I was doing it 3 times a week and recording on YouTube. I want to thank everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe. I know I haven't been consistent, but just give me a chance to show you that I do enjoy what I'm doing. I do enjoy bringing content to you guys. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see or you see me do, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video, and I will see you all in my next video. Adios.